Bhakti is nitya, but if someone makes a mad elephant offense, then Krishna can become so displeased that the bhakti, it's part of his chitta, it's sanskara, but it may be covered for many, many births as a punishment. Just like you're a lawful citizen, so freedom is yours to travel and move within the country or even go out of the country. And that's part of your right of living here as an Indian citizen. You can move here and there, no visa, no restriction. But if you commit crime and you're restricted by being locked in prison, that freedom is there with you, but now you're in prison. So it may be life in sentence. So your whole life you have no freedom. You're in a cell, 5 by 5, 5 by 7, or 3 by 7, whatever, small. If you're solo, or you're with 30 people in one cell, a bigger one. So this is the punishment. Similarly, if one commits the great crime of offending the Mahabhagavat, the great Premi Bhakta, the great devotee, then he may for 1 or 2 lifetimes be in jail. So he can't express his bhakti is being not. He doesn't have he can't express it. He can't experience it because he's confined. He's under confinement due to the reaction of his aparad. So then, when he gets free, then he picks up where he left off. That's why we see in the Gita 6:44, chapter 6, verse 44, Bhagavan Sri Krishna says that one automatically is drawn to the sadhana bhakti and the spiritual path that he practiced before. This is Purvabhyasena. That's there, 644. This whole section of verses is very nice. It's about yoga brushed and all these things. Yoga brushed means bhakti yoga brushed, any yoga. Yoga means divine practices to link one with or connect one with the absolute truth. Bhagavan or Brahman, Paramatma.